Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry. As we get into tonight's video review, I want to preface the video by, saying that I know that the market is extended, right? Whether you're measuring it against previous swing lows, whether you're measuring it against the 21 EMA, there are some lofty aspects to this market. But when you make a fresh lifetime high on Friday, and then you come into today and you close inside that range, that's not something that I'm going to look to for a reversal. Friday's low was 53.31. If today had closed below that, well, then maybe that does start the reversion to the mean, and maybe that happens tomorrow. But until it happens, I continue to work to trade with the direction of the moving averages, and with the SPX being in a low compression daily squeeze, this is where we can start that top-down conversation that all of your best trading, I believe, will fit inside. And that is to say, you start with the index. So there's the review of the SPX inside a daily squeeze, and then you go down into a sector. So this afternoon, I'm going to be looking at XLY with you, which at first glance may be, a little bit nondescript. But what I want you to see here is that if we hide our studies and then we look at from this swing low up into this swing high, look at where the pullback was. The weakness that you saw on May 31st, look how that low was made right at the 618 retracement of the advance. So not only does it hold that proportion very cleanly, it then closes at the best values of the day. So, I look at that as a pivotal area of support, and if that low will remain intact, and then would take that same way of thinking to measure extensions of this move to essentially tell you that as long as XLY does not get below 173, I would look for 182, 183, and then 184. So by going there from the index into the sector, we can then finally arrive at Amazon. Amazon had a pretty good day today, and I'm just going to tell you this one in the exact same way, which is to say, it gaps up tomorrow, and you buy front week options, and then it has 3 days of pulling back. That very well could happen, and that's not going to make you money. But if you can have a little bit longer horizon, the understanding that there may be some backing and filling in here, but if your 618 and XLY holds, this 3-day squeeze in Amazon, I think has a lot of potential. So again, allow for some noise on the daily chart, but when this bigger picture kind of swing-based signal finally does fire, I think you're going to see Amazon on the path to 200, and I hope you're able to catch a piece of it. So I hope that helps. You guys have a great rest of your evening, and we will see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.